This is not a test. There has been several unexpected reports of a weird-looking creature. This was informed for all the civilians of the lorenta. The characteristics of the creature will be shown to all of the civilians, and this news will be vital and crucial for your life. 1. This creature is taller than an average human. 2. This creature is so hard that it could deflect any bullets, even rifle bullets. 3. Has uncountable amount of eyes. 4. Has hostility towards humans and animals. Kills people by death staring eerily. Several policemen and military personnel were killed by this unbeatable creature. The Laurentian government decided to make few steps to survive this creature. You have 90% risk of getting caught by this creature. These are the steps. 1. Lock all the windows and doors in your house. 2. Don't answer any doorbells. 3. If you hear any bizarre noises, hide immediately. 4. Don't escape with cars or motorcycles. This creature can run as fast as 100 to 50 km/h. And we hope that these steps help you, and please follow these steps until the Laurentian government informs something. Thank you for your cooperation and attention. Have a nice sleep and good night.